So welcome to English Language Club. This is Jagannath Raju. Yesterday we discussed in the previous video we discussed correction of sentence up to 9 sentences. Today we discuss the remaining sentence. Actually, uh, the 10th sentence, she loves her brother very much. She loves her brother very much. Does she? This is a question tag. So when the statement is positive, because there is no negative word, there is no negative word, the statement consists of verb first form and yes. So that's why whenever verb first form is given in the statement, in the question tag we have to write a doesn't is the right answer. Doesn't. So the right answer is doesn't she is the right answer. Doesn't she is the right answer. And next one, no sooner we saw a tiger when we fled. No sooner requires helping verb. Actually, the statement is in the past tense. So whenever past tense is given and the statement is past tense given, we have to use did or had. So no sooner did we see, because after the helping verb did we have to write only verb first form. So no sooner did we see a tiger when we fled. This is the right structure. Actually, no sooner requires helping verb compulsory, no doubt at all. And next, 12th one. The accident night had been because the driver was drunk. The accident might had been because the driver was drunk. Actually, already I told you might is a modal verb. Might is a modal verb. Modal verb requires only bare forms. So what is the bare form actually? Have is the bare form. Actually, have, has, had. These are comes from the have. So that's why the bare form or the mother form for the had is have. So the accident might have been because the driver was drunk. My sister's hair my sister's hair is a long, black, straight. Actually, what is the correct one? My sister's hair is long, comma, black, and straight. That's the right one. Because whenever we have to write three adjectives in the same sentence, so the last two we have to combine the words with and. So my sister hair is long, black, and straight. Next, 14th, English is being spoken everywhere. Actually, English is being, the sentence is in passive voice. The sentence is in passive voice because here be form plus being is used. Actually, being required verb third form only. So that's why you have to write spoken. English is being. Being means it is the passive structure. In the passive structure, we have to write only in the passive voice. We have to write in the only verb third form. So the third form is spoken. English is being spoken everywhere. Possibly this will solve the problem. Possibly this will solve the problem. Actually, this is the adverb. So this will possibly. So actually this word refers the verb. So that's why it comes before the verb. This will possibly solve the problem. That is the correct structure. Next one. I have not seen him since 3 years. I have not seen. I have not seen since 3 years. Sorry. I have not seen him since 3 years. Actually, 3 years is a period of time. Period of time. So before the period of time, we have to write only for. Before the period of time, we have to write only for. So the right answer is I have not seen him for 3 years. That is the right answer. I congratulated him for his success. Actually, in English language, some verbs required some specific prepositions. Congratulated requires only on, afraid of, insist on, believe in, faith in, some words, some verbs, abide by, or stick to some prepositions. So here I congratulated him on his success is the right answer. And next one, since it was hot, so we stayed indoors. Actually, since and so both are conjunctions. In a single sentence, we should not use two conjunctions. We have to use only one conjunction. Only one conjunction. So that's why we remove the second one. Since it was hot, we stayed indoors. This one is right. Or it was hot, so we stayed indoors. So we have to write only one conjunction in the sentence. And next one, and 20th. So Chitra is senior than Eloka by 3 years. Senior than. Actually, it is a comparative sentence. In the comparative sentence, senior, junior, prior, major, minor. This kind of words requires only the conjunction is two only. Don't write than. Don't write than. Actually, senior 2, junior 2, minor 2, major 2, prior 2, prefer 2. These are Greek words. So after the Greek words, we have to write only 2 in the place of than. That is the right one. The man rushed to the station, but the train left. Actually, here two actions completed. One is man rushed, and another one is train left. Train left. Which action comes earlier? Actually, the train left is the first action. Rushed is the second action. So the first action must be expressed in past perfect. Past perfect. So the structure is past perfect is subject, had, and verb third form. So the right answer is the train had left. So the man rushed to the station, but the train had left. That is the correct one. And next one, and 21. My uncle is having two children. Actually, this is totally wrong. Actually, have actually two children is possessive. Possessive. So possessive express we have is only as, have, or had. Past possessive is had, present possessive as and have. So the right answer is my uncle have or has. So the right answer of my uncle is singular. That's why we try to use has. My uncle has two children. This is the correct one. He returned back from Delhi. Returned back. Actually, we should avoid the repetition. What is the repetition? Return means come back, came back. Sorry, return means it is past tense. So came back. Here back is given. Here back is again given. So that is what is the right answer? He returned from Delhi is the right answer, or he came back from Delhi is the right answer. But we should not write a return back because return already consists of back. Okay, right. The group of robbers divide the money between themselves. Actually, here between is the wrong. Actually, between means only two persons. Only two persons. More than two, we use among. So the group of robbers, the group of robbers, that means many persons divide the money among themselves. That is the right answer. Tell me when will you come? Tell me when will you come? Actually, it is a verb first form or bare infinitive. So whenever the sentence starts with the bare infinitive, it is a imperative sentence. It is a imperative sentence. The sentence is in the imperative. So whenever the sentence is in imperative, so subject, verb, object, and question word. After the question word, we have to write only subject. After the question word, we have to write only subject and next helping verb. So, but here, tell me when you will come. This is the correct one. Okay. He has seen the film yesterday. Yesterday. It is the adverb of time in the past tense. So whenever the adverb of time like yesterday, last night, once upon a time, ago, this kind of words comes in the sentence. We have to write the sentence in the simple past tense. That's why he saw the film yesterday. That is the right answer. My friend gave to me the book. Actually, my friend gave. So the verb gave requires or give requires indirect object. without two preposition. So my friend gave me the book. That is the right answer. My friend gave me the book. The right answer. I and Sunil went to the market. I and Sunil went to the market. Actually, Sunil is the third person. Sunil is the third person. I is the first person. I is the first person. Actually, in English language, the rule is third person comes first and first person comes later. So that is the right way. So what should you write? Sunil and I went to the market. This is the correct one. Sunil and I went to the market. Right. As Veena was hungry, so she ate an apple. Already I told you. As is conjunction, so is conjunction. In a single sentence, we should not write two conjunctions. That's why we eliminate as or so, whatever you like. So as Vena was angry, comma, she ate an apple. Or Vena was angry, so she ate an apple. So we have to write only one conjunction. Only one conjunction. Next, Vena is going to college every day by bus. Vena is going to college every day by bus. So everyday actions should be expressed in simple present. Simple present. Simple present means nothing but verb first form. So Vena goes to college every day by bus. That is the right answer. Next, the Pacific is the most deepest ocean. It is a superlative degree. The sentence is in the superlative degree. Deep. Deep is a single syllable word. So single syllable word is adding est only. Is adding est only. No need of most. No need of most. Deepest, tallest, fattest, strongest, longest. Is a single syllable word. Single syllable word is adding only est. Single syllable word only adding est. No need of write most. So the Pacific is the deepest ocean. That is the right answer. Sorry, and what is the mistake? I am awaiting for his reply. Already told you. So we avoid the repetition. Awaiting. Awaiting. Awaiting means waiting plus for. Awaiting means waiting plus for. So that's why we avoid for. We should avoid for. I am waiting. I am awaiting his reply. Or I am waiting for his reply. That is the both the right one. And next one. So the deers are drinking water in the pool. The deers are drinking water in the pool. Actually, here whenever before the animal the word specific noun is given, the specific noun is given, we use only deers. Deers are drinking. Deers are, we should not write the. Deers are drinking water in the pool. That is the right answer. Deers are drinking water in the pool. It is the right answer. Next 33. So why the boy is standing there? Why the boy is standing there? So here a question. It is a another question mark is given. It is a interrogative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence, after the question word, we have to write helping verb and write subject. This is the structure. So question word is given. What is the helping verb here? Is the helping verb. So subject is the boy. This is the structure. Why is the boy standing there? This is the correct one. Why is the boy standing there? Next, my spectacles is on the table. My spectacles. Actually, there are two mirrors in the spectacles, two glasses in the specs. So whenever two glasses in the specs, it comes under plural. So my spectacles are on the table. Trouser is plural. Scissor is plural because there are two iron blades. So that is scissor is plural. Two spectacles. There are two glasses. That's why spectacles are plural. And trouser is also plural. Okay. She will go, won't she? She will go, won't she? It is a question tag. So in the question tag, we have to write only short form. What is the short form of will not? Won't. Won't she? This is the right answer. Okay. Thank you, one and all. Reminding tomorrow, next video I will explain. Okay. Thank you.